Welcome to the Sea, Ocean and Bay quiz for beginners. Test your knowledge with fun and easy questions about Earth's amazing water bodies. Let's start with question number 1. What is a very large body of salt water called? A. River, B. Ocean, C. Lake, or D. Pond? The answer is B. Ocean. A very large body of salt water is called an ocean. It is the largest type of saltwater body on Earth, covering huge areas between continents. Question number 2. Which of these is a bay? A. Arabian Sea, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Bay of Bengal, or D. Red Sea? The answer is C. Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal is called a bay because it is a part of the ocean that is partly surrounded by land, and it is connected to the Indian Ocean. Question number 3. Which ocean is the largest? A. Indian Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, or D. Atlantic Ocean? The answer is B. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world because it covers more area than any other ocean on Earth. It stretches between Asia, Australia, North America, and South America. Question number 4. Which is the smallest ocean? A. Arctic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, or D. Southern Ocean? The answer is A. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean because it covers the least area compared to the other oceans. It is located around the North Pole and it is mostly covered with ice. Question number 5. A bay is usually A. a mountain area, B. completely dry, C. a desert, or D. partly surrounded by land? The answer is D. partly surrounded by land. A bay is usually partly surrounded by land because the land curves around the water, creating a calm and protected area connected to a larger sea or ocean. Question number 6. Which sea is near India? A. Mediterranean Sea, B. South China Sea, C. Arabian Sea, or D. Red Sea? The answer is C. Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea on the west is one of the seas near India. Question number 7. Which ocean is very cold and near the North Pole? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Indian Ocean, C. Arctic Ocean, or D. Pacific Ocean? The answer is C. Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is very cold and near the North Pole because it is located around the North Pole, where the weather stays freezing for most of the year. Question number 8. Which of these is bigger? A. River, B. Ocean, C. Sea, or D. Bay? The answer is B. Ocean. An ocean is bigger because it covers a huge area of Earth and connects many seas and smaller water bodies together. Question number 9. Bays are good places for A. airports, B. harbors and ships, C. deserts, or D. volcanoes? The answer is B. harbors and ships. Bays are good place for harbors and ships because the surrounding land protect the water from strong waves and storms, making the water calmer and safer for boats. Question number 10. Which ocean lies between Asia and America? A. Pacific Ocean, B. Southern Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, or D. Arctic Ocean? The answer is A. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean lies between Asia and America because it stretches across the large area separating the continents of Asia and North and South America. Question number 11. Which body of water is usually smaller than a sea? A. River, B. Ocean, C. Bay, or D. Glacier? The answer is C. Bay. A bay is usually smaller than a sea because a bay is only a small part of a sea or ocean that is partly surrounded by land. Question number 12. Which ocean is on the east coast of North America? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, or D. Arctic Ocean? The answer is A. Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is on the east coast of North America because it lies between North America and Europe and Africa. Question number 13. Which ocean is on the west coast of North America? A. Atlantic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Indian Ocean, or D. Arctic Ocean? The answer is B. Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is on the west coast of North America because the western side of North America faces the Pacific Ocean. Question number 14. Ships often stop in bays because A. The water is calm, B. Bays are very hot, C. Bays are mountains, or D. There are no waves anywhere? The answer is A. The water is calm. Ships often stop in bay because the water is calm and protected from strong waves. Because bays are partly surrounded by land, and the land blocks strong winds and big ocean waves, making the water calmer and safer for ships. Now, moving to the last question. Question number 15. Which sea is famous for having no coastline? A. Red Sea, B. Black Sea, C. Sargasso Sea, or D. Baltic Sea? The answer is C. Sargasso Sea. The Sargasso Sea has no coastline because it is not surrounded by land like other seas. Instead, it is surrounded by ocean currents in the North Atlantic Ocean. Thanks for playing the Sea, Ocean and Bay quiz. We hope you had fun learning about Earth's amazing water bodies. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more geography videos. Thank you so much.